Welcome back to How Ines Rolls. As you can see, I have my trusty little assistant Ezra, and today we're going to be doing a video that we can do together. So I need to get started. With summer coming up, the kids are going to be home and they're probably going to need some activities. So I thought I'd have Ezra join me in the kitchen today because we're going to be showing you some really fun activities that we can do with colors. So I'm not sure if you know, but I am a Montessori trained preschool teacher. So I will just show you some of the activities that we have in our class, and I'll have Ezra demonstrate. Plus I have a really fun science experiment. And of course, it wouldn't be How Ines Rolls unless I showed you a sweet rainbow treat. So let's get started. So first off, I have a basket of little crayons. They're just different colors. I got them off of a poster. But what you could do is just color certain colors, maybe on some cardstock, and maybe put it on a clothespin, hand it to your child, and they'll walk around the house touching things that are these colors. So, you want to do that, Ezra? Want to show them how it works? Another super fun activity is actually color mixing. So I have this printout that I could send to you if you would like it. You just have to send me an email at howinesrolls@gmail.com and I will send you this PDF. Now it belonged to another website, but you have to sign up and be a member and all that stuff. So I saved it. You're doing some color mixing. This is one of the classroom's favorite things to do. So I have this one, but I also have it where it's a little more intricate, and you'll be putting a paper towel on it when it's all done. So Ezra, you ready to get started? Yeah. So the rule is a dot is a line. So then he takes a little tool and just dabs it. Contact paper, the clear contact paper, that's what I did. And I've had this for years. That is awesome. And so then he'll just put a piece of paper towel. I need to rinse that out a little bit. Do you want to hold it up so we can see? Oh, you're going to write your name in the middle?
No, I got two.
Oh, you got two. Here, let me have the second one. You only need the one. But look, you can kind of see it there. That's much better. One for me. So if you were going to do the other side, you would want probably a bigger piece of, like a whole sheet of paper towel, just because it would have more colors. Ta-da! That looks great. Do you love doing this? Mm-hmm. That one is so much fun. The kids really do like to do it. And they get to take home that little paper towel at the end when it dries. So it's nice to have that color spectrum, and it's a good visual tool. So the next thing, if you're interested, I will send you a copy of that PDF. So just drop me an email at howinesrolls@gmail.com and I will send it out to you. So the next thing that we're going to do is, what are we doing?
The Skittles.
The Skittle? Yeah, I knew what we were doing. Mm-hmm. They couldn't wait. I have a couple of bags of these. So I'm just going to do this with Ezra, and then Jonas just gets to come home and eat his. But what we're going to need is just a plate and some water, and that is it. You're sharing. Well, I actually got one for himself. Yeah, so one for you, one for him.
Oh.
Yeah, so it'll be good. So let's get started. Okay, you can see it's almost filled up. It happens pretty quick, within a few minutes. Maybe about 10 tops, but then the kids could just eat the ones on the edges, which they like to do that too. Okay, this next experiment is super fun. We're gonna call this walking rainbows or walking colors. So what you're gonna need is 7 little plastic cups. Let's do this. So you can see I have these clear glasses, but you can use any clear glass that you want, even real glasses. So that would probably be even better, only because it can be sturdy. So you're gonna put those in a line, and then what you're gonna do is 6 half sheets of paper towels, fold it in half, and then fold them in half again. And then you're gonna crease them right down the middle. So it'll make like a V. And then we're gonna trim the bottom, maybe like a couple of inches, depending on your glasses though. So if your glass is taller, then you may not even need to trim it at all. My glasses are shorter, so I need a trim. So they're gonna be like this. So I'm gonna be putting them in between the cups. So let's get this going. So every other cup, you're going to add water. Totally easy. And then we're gonna add food coloring, only red, yellow, and blue. Just the primary colors. Till you get the desired color you want. And this is it. We're just gonna put these in. See if we have some walking colors. While we're waiting for the walking colors to kind of progress, I thought it would be super fun to make some rainbow Rice Krispie treats, but not with Rice Krispies, but with Froot Loops. So I'm gonna show you and walk you through it. If you've never made them, they are super easy. Plus I have a little trick. So let's get the cereal in the bowl, and I have right now 3 tablespoons of butter in that pot to melt down the marshmallows. I just put my marshmallows in with the warm butter. I have it on a medium-low heat. However, I just don't want to do it too quickly because marshmallows can burn pretty fast. And I've already got my cereal in a bowl. This stuff smells so good. As I'm waiting for my marshmallows, I might as well ask, what are you guys thinking of the video so far? I had, this is one of the suggestions that I had on one of my lives, and people were asking some activities to do with their kids. So, and specifically some science experiments. Would you like to see more of these kinds of fun videos? Because we're gonna have a whole summer to do a whole lot of fun stuff. So let me know in the comments. Now I'm just going to carefully blend them together in this bowl. And then when they're nicely coated, I'm gonna put it onto this cutting board and just try to flatten it out, and I'll show you my little secret. So it's not like a huge secret, but I wet my hands. That's all I do, you guys. And so now it's not super hot and it won't stick. So I can mold it and ply it. I could put it in a pan, but this way I just know that the kids will just take one and go, and I don't have to dirty a pan. And wiping down these cutting boards is pretty easy. So this is still fairly warm. So I'm gonna let it kind of do its thing. I might put this in the fridge to let it cool down faster. And that's it, you guys. That was so easy. It works really good too with the Rice Krispie treats. But this is, I don't make them that often with this cereal. Okay, get into the fridge. Time to cool it down. I wanted to give you a walking colors update. So it's been about an hour. But you can see the red is starting to move over. But the green is doing pretty good. And then the red. So the red seems to like not be easy to crawl over. However, we'll just leave it here. You know what I'll do is I'll add a little bit more red food coloring, see if that helps. These are calling my name. So just to recap, it was about a half a stick of butter, a 10-ounce bag of mini chocolate or mini marshmallows, and about 7 cups of Froot Loops melted together. Can't wait. So good. I hope you enjoyed this different kind of video that shows some great ideas to spend some time with your children, especially over the summer, and start getting some experiments going on. If you'd like to see some more, let me know in the comments. And I'm so grateful that you've stopped by my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And I'd love to have you along. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'm so grateful to all of you, and have a wonderful day, and stick around. Just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Goodbye.